Hello and welcome to Con E Varsity. Everybody is looking for the perfect haircut. The barbering profession is steeped in rich tradition, dating back to ancient civilizations. For centuries, barbers have been essential figures in communities worldwide, serving not just as hairstylists but as pillars of social interaction. More than just hairstylists, barbers are true artists, confidants, and skilled craftsmen who bring their unique touch to every haircut. They possess a unique ability to transform appearances and boost confidence with a few skilled strokes of their tools, making each client feel special. This comprehensive guide will take you on a journey to master the intricate art of barbering. We will delve into the fundamental skills needed to excel in this rewarding profession, from the basics to the more advanced techniques. From basic haircuts to advanced techniques like fades and beard trims, we will cover it all, ensuring you have a well-rounded skill set. Remember, becoming a successful barber takes time, dedication, and a passion for the craft. It's a journey of continuous improvement. It's about constantly learning, refining your skills, and taking pride in every haircut you deliver, making each one better than the last. So let's embark on this exciting journey together, where every step brings you closer to mastery. Let's explore the fascinating world of barbering and equip you with the knowledge and skills to become a true master of your trade. Every barber's journey begins with mastering the basics. These initial steps are crucial in shaping your future as a skilled barber. These foundational skills form the bedrock of your craft. Without a solid foundation, it's challenging to build advanced techniques. Mastering them is crucial before you can move on to more complex cuts and styles. It's like learning to walk before you can run. Start with understanding the tools: clippers, scissors, combs, and brushes. Each tool has its own unique function, and mastering their use is essential. Each has a specific purpose, and knowing how to use them correctly is paramount. Proper tool usage can make or break a haircut. Next, learn the different hair types and textures. This knowledge is vital for achieving the best results for each client. This knowledge will guide you in choosing the right tools and techniques for each client. Tailoring your approach to individual needs is key. Practice basic cuts like the crew cut, buzz cut, and scissor over comb techniques. These are the building blocks of more intricate styles. These seemingly simple cuts are the foundation for understanding shapes, angles, and blending. Remember, practice makes perfect. Consistent practice hones your skills. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are your best teachers. Each error is a stepping stone to improvement. Embrace each challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. Challenges push you to refine your techniques and become better. As you master these fundamentals, you'll build a strong foundation for your barbering career. Confidence and competence come with time and dedication. Once you've mastered the fundamentals, it's time to elevate your skills with advanced techniques. These techniques allow you to create intricate styles and cater to a wider clientele. Fading, a technique that creates a seamless gradient of hair length, is a cornerstone of modern barbering. Mastering different types of fades, such as the high fade, low fade, and temple fade, will significantly enhance your skill set. Texturizing techniques like point cutting and slicing add dimension and movement to hairstyles. Understanding how to use these techniques effectively can transform a simple haircut into a stylish masterpiece. Mastering advanced techniques requires patience, precision, and an eye for detail. Don't shy away from challenges. Embrace them as opportunities to refine your craft and develop your unique style. The hot towel shave is a classic barbershop service that distinguishes barbers from ordinary hairstylists. It's an art form that requires a delicate touch and meticulous attention to detail. Start by learning how to prepare the skin with hot towels and pre-shave products. Understanding the grain of the hair and proper shaving techniques is crucial to avoid irritation and ensure a smooth, close shave. Facial hair grooming, including beard trims and shaping, is another essential skill. Learn to use clippers, trimmers, and scissors to create various beard styles that complement the client's face shape and preferences. Mastering these skills requires not only technical expertise but also excellent communication skills. Understanding your client's needs and preferences is essential to delivering a truly satisfying grooming experience. Section 5. Tools of the trade, mastering your equipment. A skilled craftsman is only as good as their tools. As a barber, your tools are an extension of your artistry. Understanding them, maintaining them, and using them effectively is crucial for success. Invest in high-quality clippers, trimmers, scissors, combs, and brushes. Familiarize yourself with their functions, settings, and maintenance requirements. Regularly oiling your clippers and sharpening your scissors ensures they perform optimally and last longer. Learn the different types of blades and their purposes. Experiment with various comb attachments to achieve different hair lengths and styles. The more comfortable you are with your tools, the more confident and efficient you will be in your work. Remember, your tools are an investment in your career. Taking care of them is essential for delivering high-quality haircuts and building a successful barbering business. Section 6. Professionalism and Hygiene, the pillars of your barbershop. Professionalism and hygiene are non-negotiable aspects of being a successful barber. They are essential for building trust with clients and ensuring a safe and comfortable environment. Always present yourself professionally. Dress neatly, maintain good personal hygiene, and be punctual for appointments. Keep your workspace clean and organized. Sterilize your tools after each use to prevent the spread of germs and infections. Communicate clearly and respectfully with clients. Listen attentively to their needs and offer professional advice. Building a strong rapport with your clients is crucial for building a loyal customer base. Remember, your professionalism and commitment to hygiene reflect on your brand and your reputation. Upholding high standards in these areas will set you apart as a true professional in the industry. Section 7. The client experience, building trust and loyalty. In the competitive world of barbering, providing an exceptional client experience can set you apart. It's about more than just a haircut. It's about creating a welcoming atmosphere and building lasting relationships. Greet your clients with a warm smile and make them feel comfortable. Listen attentively to their needs and preferences. Offer expert advice on hairstyles and grooming products. Pay attention to the small details. Offer a beverage, provide reading material, and maintain a clean and inviting space. Remember, your clients are entrusting you with their appearance. Making them feel valued and respected is crucial for building trust and loyalty. By consistently exceeding expectations and creating a positive experience, you'll turn one-time clients into loyal patrons who recommend your services to others. Section 8. Environmental Responsibility, Sustainable Barbering Practices. As a barber, you have the opportunity to make a difference by incorporating sustainable practices into your business. Small changes can have a significant impact on the environment and inspire others to do the same. Consider using eco-friendly hair care products that are free of harsh chemicals and packaged in recyclable materials. Reduce water consumption by optimizing your washing techniques and investing in water-saving fixtures. Dispose of hair clippings and other waste responsibly. Explore options for recycling or composting hair waste. Educate your clients about your sustainable practices and encourage them to join you in reducing your environmental footprint. By embracing sustainability, you not only contribute to a healthier planet, but also enhance your brand image and attract environmentally conscious clients. Section 9. Continuing Education, a Lifetime of Learning. The world of barbering is constantly evolving. New trends emerge, techniques are refined, and products improve. As a barber, committing to lifelong learning is essential for staying ahead of the curve and continually improving your craft. Attend workshops, seminars, and hair shows to learn about the latest trends and techniques. Subscribe to industry magazines and online resources to stay informed about new products and innovations. Never stop practicing. Seek out challenging haircuts and styles to refine your skills and expand your repertoire. Embrace constructive criticism from mentors and peers as an opportunity for growth. Remember, the journey of a barber is one of continuous learning and refinement. Embracing this mindset will ensure you remain at the forefront of your profession and deliver exceptional services throughout your career. Section 10. The Rewards of Mastery. A fulfilling career awaits. Mastering the art of barbering is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. Each day presents new opportunities to learn and grow. It requires dedication, passion, and a commitment to excellence. Every snip of the scissors and every stroke of the razor is a step towards perfection. But the rewards are immeasurable. The joy of seeing a satisfied client is unparalleled. As you hone your skills and build a loyal clientele, you'll experience the satisfaction of transforming appearances and boosting confidence. Each transformation is a testament to your skill and artistry. You'll develop meaningful connections with clients from all walks of life, becoming a trusted confidant and friend. These relationships often extend beyond the barber chair. The barbering profession offers stability, flexibility, and the potential for financial success. It's a career that can adapt to your lifestyle and aspirations. You can choose to work in a barbershop, salon, or even start your own business. The possibilities are endless and tailored to your personal goals. Ultimately, the most significant reward of mastering barbering is the sense of pride and accomplishment that comes from pursuing your passion and making a positive impact on the lives of others. Your work can truly change lives. So, embrace the journey, never stop learning, and enjoy the rewards of this timeless and fulfilling craft. The path of a barber is one of continuous growth and endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this guide, please subscribe to the Con E Varsity YouTube channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.